Hi guys, I'm Courtney.
Hi, I'm Tony.
Welcome to our channel, Adventures in Babeland. What you can look forward to from Tony and I are excursions, events, fun stuff, very random stuff between Kingston and Toronto. And then together, like as we travel, we have a lot of interesting trips in store this year. So there's a lot to come, lots of excitement, lots of fun, and we are fun.
Subscribe. So this first video that we have here is Christmas in Jamaica Part 1. We are reviewing Cabana City Reserve, East, and Maiden Cay. I wasn't at Maiden Cay, but Courtney was, so she'll break that down for you.
Amazing, my favorite party every year. We're also big fans of Cabana City. We love that party. We go every year. We love the promoters. They're our good friends. And it's fun because it's a type of party that everybody really dresses up, and it's a very who's who type of event, and like people really kind of bush and go all out in their looks and stuff like that. So that's a good time, a nice dress up type of event, and it always kicks off the party in a really, or the Christmas season in a really like classy, elegant way. So I really like it for that.
Yeah, it's one of the few parties where the music is good, everyone is dancing, drunk or sober. The vibe is just so like loving.
Jamaica, watch over us as I smoke up and drink up. We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah. Ladies, if you love excitement, come let me rub you the right way. We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight.
I'm hot. Where the AC at? Can I get some AC? Ooh, I like that leg.
Me coulda never green dog, me no chow chow. No. Ha, 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 ho, ho. Who ya know? Hand up on Spolo. With the gal inna me bed, me catch it on the GoPro. The gal with them a wife up, no fi me go. I hear see the shaky the mojo a low blow. Blow wow, live your life dog, YOLO. Yo, go fi be a gal a shout out. Tell us I'm fresh, how you beard with?
East was a lot of fun. We went right after Cabana City, and we almost went into Yesterday's by accident, actually, because they were keeping Yesterday's on the opposite side of the stadium. So we literally walked towards the end of the world to Yesterday's. We made it.
We are drop there.
Steaming in, no Christmas night loud in it. Christmas tomorrow, you know the Christmas loud dog. You know New Year's Day in the sunshine. You know I'm much up my New Year's Eve. Some of them sell them a bum buckle and friend, and then make them friend of
Like say you can be stylish, but no be anywhere you love. Cause I make a link, I make a man in your place like your back. Jump on no white friend, you got pressed in that body now. You can't talk out to me, this is dog them, you know. That's a genocide. My dog them a feeling. Don't let go pull up. My dog them a feeling. Fuck the bang the girl in them. You wanna like how we are living.
Maiden Cay is literally every single year my favorite party. It's in the middle of the ocean. You just take your little boat, well, not your little boat, like normally you have to know somebody with a boat or you have a boat yourself, and you take your boat out to Maiden Cay and it's just amazing. You bring your chicken, you bring your alcohol, you see your friend them, you know, it's just a really fun time. It's always a beautiful beach day. They set up music and speakers and everything out there, so it's just a really, 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 really amazing vibe.
What the fuck?
Yo, brought the whole fucking liquor store?
That's the best tequila. That's the best.
One time I went out for...
I've been saving that for
Oh god.
Don Julio. It's gonna get really real. It's so good.
Dancehall of me everything. Dancehall of me everything. Dancehall of me everything. Jungle is Willy Bounce, yeah. Every bad man and every dog, yeah. I agree with your boss, yeah. Fuck up the place of the rum, say, yeah. You look better than Beyonce. Y'all a pray you me baby, what do that done say? Me got the oxygen for your lungs, say. Make your pum pum speak in a tongue, say. Dancehall can't stop forever, ever. Dancehall can't stop. Dancehall can't stop forever, ever. Dancehall can't stop.
You guys enjoyed part 1 of Christmas in Jamaica. We're calling it Ya Adventures. I'm Courtney.
I'm Tony.
And this is Adventures in Babeland. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, comment below and let us know, you know, what you liked, what you want to hear more of. We're gonna have another episode coming up on the rest of stuff that we were doing this Christmas, and
that's Christmas in Jamaica part 2 coming up next. Be sure to subscribe so you get the alerts.
Yeah.